to visit the official page for AOL.com and you need to log into your account and you need to type that email ID and password which is not subscribed with AOL, means you are not paying anything from that email ID to AOL. So you need to type your free email account and click on next, and after that you need to type the password which you use to log into your AOL account and then click on sign in. Once you clicked on sign in, you will be able to see the AOL homepage on your screen, and you need to scroll it down to the bottom of the page and you will able to find the option my account downloads. These options will appear. You need to select downloads. Once you click on downloads, another option will come up like AOL Desktop Gold. You need to click on it. Once you click on it, then you can see the page will appear. It will show the option of learn more or download AOL desktop at no additional cost. So let me click on learn more, and I clicked on try it for free for 30 days. Means I need to use it for the 30 days. That will be trial version. And once you click on it, however, it will ask for your billing details, but it will not charge the amount. It will charge only after 30 days if you give you the right to deduct the amount from your account. Only then it will charge. So I'm just filling my details, like the important details which is required to make the payment. That will be my name, my address, city, zip code and state, and after that I need to type my card number, which is very important to make the payment. It will also ask for the mobile number, which is just an optional. It is not necessary that you must have to put. It's optional. So let me type my mobile number as well. I just use any number. Once you fill this complete form, then you can see that option is highlighted, start your free trial, and I also clicked on I agree. So after that you will see the option that download AOL Gold desktop now. So I click on it, and by this you will be able to download AOL desktop Gold, which will be free for 30 days. So you can start using it, and I clicked on it, and you can see that downloading is starting on the computer, and you can see that it is installing right now on the bottom. And once the installation get done, you need to click it, and you need to click it twice and open that up, or you can click on show in folder, and you can see that in the folder it show you that, and you need to select run as an administrator. So make sure if there is any software which does not allow you to download, you can choose this option that run as administrator, so that you will easily able to install AOL Gold on your computer. And It is in the process of installation. It will take some time. You can see that it show installing software. Now you can see the logo and it is downloaded completely on your computer, and you can simply log into your account once again by using the same ID and password. There is option like save password or auto sign in. If you click on save password, you do not need to type the password again and again. And in the next page it asks for the password. Once you click on type the password, you need to click on next. After click on
Welcome.
next, you will be
You've got mail.
get into your account, and you can see the way that how it look like. On the top left corner of your keyboard of your computer, you can see that there is option of read emails, and from there you will be able to read emails, write emails. All these options will come up, and you will be able to see your folders. Means everything you will be able to see in that, which you get in from the google.com or from the any other source. So this is the video by which you will be able to see that how you will be able to download AOL Desktop Gold on the computer.